A day in my life as a newborn and maternity photographer who flew to Singapore for my workshop, collaborating with two of the biggest names in the industry, Hasselblad and Amaran. It was a big day for me. I tried to wake up as early as possible, leaving my comfortable bed at the hotel, and started getting ready for the day. Grabbed my breakfast, had my caffeine fix, not yet realizing how much I would be needing it throughout the day. Waited for the taxi outside. It was a nice sunny weather in Singapore. Smooth and short ride at the taxi, arrived at the venue. Getting out of the elevator literally felt like a movie scene from the Jurassic Park. At the studio, we had so many Hasselblad camera lenses and cameras for everyone to try on. It was such a rare opportunity. So I started straight to work, prepping the backdrops as well as the props. We had two newborn setups for the first part of the workshop. The first setup is autumn themed with all the pumpkins, earth tone props colors, and the second one is in a bucket with cool blue shades. Then we started preparing the light setup. We had a wide range of Amaran lights to choose from at the studio, and our key lights for the day was the 660C Amaran. This workshop was all about portfolio building, focusing on creating strong and beautiful images, as many as possible for the participants. The students were amazing. It was a full house. Everyone was so engaged. They asked so many questions non-stop, which I loved so much. It was a very great class, I would say. We had a balanced mix of professionals and enthusiasts, both male and female photographers. Some of them are already Hasselblad users. Some of them have never tried newborn photography before, as well as maternity. So I had to guide them through every step, from posing, camera settings, choosing the best angles, as well as the lighting setups. The combination of Hasselblad camera system paired with the amazing quality of Amaran continuous light actually made the whole process went very smoothly. We had brilliant pictures that are very easy to work with. Now, newborn sessions are naturally almost always very tense. So as we have had our lunch and moved on to maternity session, everyone were more relaxed and enjoyed the whole workshop even more. We had the best time practicing posing at the maternity session, both ladies and gentlemen, no exceptions. We learned how to bend the knees, how to arch the back, to highlight the curves of motherhood. We also learned how to direct our clients so they will be more relaxed and to pay very close attention to where the key light is and to make sure that our client is facing the key light, and how to take the best angles for our client. Our maternity model was amazing. She did a great job. She was close to her due date with prominent, beautiful belly. We dressed her up in two looks. The first one was in a blue dress, classy, soft looks, trying to highlight her gentle motherhood side. And the second look is in bold burnt orange, giving her stronger look, and we were just trying to bring out the fierce mama in her. Everyone did an amazing job during the maternity session. I even found some unusual framing, and I was very impressed. I also had the best time catching up with everyone, with my returning students, new students, and my partners as well. So in the middle of the workshop, there were actually some challenges, topped with another challenges, and it felt like a very long day. I was drained, I was exhausted, but thanks to the very supportive team that I have, including my students and all the participants, for understanding the hiccups, we made it through the day. It turned out to be better than what we planned it out to be. So yeah, I end the day by the pool, sipping my lemonade, once again contemplating my life choices. No regrets though, and I'll do it all over again.